process plant is usually built for a specific ore body or a specific set of criteria. Now, in the life of a mine, that ore body or the source of the ore could change. The type of ore body could change, and that requires most of the time adjustment to the plant to optimize it and get an optimal feed through it. Part of it as well is sometimes increase of throughput. Ore body gets bigger, everybody's happy, there's more ore, and it's more economical to treat higher tonnage. And to do that, every plant has a certain additional capacity as such that usually operators do optimize, but you get to a stage where you reach the end of that process plant capacity, and hence you have to increase the size, optimize some equipment, and potentially adjust the utilization of the plant, do some reliability work to remove some bottlenecks, reduce maintenance requirements, shutdown requirements, which increases the utilization of the plant.